So WhatsApp verification code not working. I will show you the process. It's 100% work for you. If you are facing this kind of a problem, then simply go to your setting and go to apps and find the WhatsApp. Scroll all the way down, then you can see the WhatsApp. Go to the permission and from here allow call and contact, and then you can see the SMS. Just allow it, and now check all permission is allow for WhatsApp, and once done, then go back to your apps. Then still if you see this kind of problem, then simply press on top right corner three dotted line, this one, then press on help. Now this doesn't answer my question. Select this option and in description area just write this word, and you can also add a screenshot as well. And once done, press on send email, and within a couple of seconds, then you can see your verification code is coming. Let's verify my WhatsApp now, and now complete the other process. That's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.